The father slips, but hold on to a branch of tree, saving him from the raging torrent. All around them, the savanna is torn apart. A tornado devours the land in the distance. Then, silence. The storm weakens. A faint light pierces the chaos. Hope flickers. But survival is never certain. A wall of water barrels toward them, a flash flood of destruction. There's no choice. Together they leap into the flood. They surface, gasping for air. But on the horizon, another storm looms. Their struggle is far from over.